Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find old chats in Character AI. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you want to find your old chats or chat history in Character AI, there are a few different ways you can check them. First, you can check your archived chats. Sometimes chats are accidentally archived, which makes them disappear from the main chat list. To check this, open character.ai and go to your profile section. From here, go to Content Settings section. Look for an archive option and see if your old chats are stored there. If they are, you can open them again from that section. Another way to find old chats is by opening the character you previously talked to. Go to the chat list and click on the character whose conversation you want to see. Once the chat opens, click on this person icon at the bottom left corner. This will open the character's profile and chat options. From there, look for the history option. When you click history, you will be able to see previous conversations you had with that character. This lets you switch between different past chats and continue any conversation you started earlier. You can also manually find older messages by scrolling up in the conversation. Character.ai usually keeps a long message history, so scrolling up will show earlier parts of the conversation if they haven't been archived or deleted. And that's it. So that's basically how you can find old chats in Character AI. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.